So if you wonder how you can get a MidJourney AI subscription for almost free, meaning a free trial without paying a huge amount, here's how to do it straight from your device. And I'll reveal the website that lets you grab almost any premium subscription you want for just a couple of bucks. First, open your browser and head to the service page. On the home page, you'll see a list of platforms. Scroll down till you see MidJourney in the list and tap on it. Don't worry about the website itself. I'll show you what it is in a moment. Now choose the subscription duration you want. You can go monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The longer you pick, the cheaper it works out per month. When you're ready to proceed to the payment, go ahead and enter the promo code JAAKF to get an additional 10% discount. After doing all that, you can now tap on Buy Now. You'll be taken to the checkout screen. Enter your email address carefully because that's where your account details will be sent. Then select your payment method. You can use card, PayPal, or other supported options. Complete the payment. After that, you'll receive the login details for your MidJourney account directly by email. And as promised, the site I'm using here is called Gamsgo. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out. That's it for this video. MidJourney AI for free in just a couple of minutes.